next game we're playing is called Remote Control. I here have a remote control. This is a remote control. And this is what is going to happen. So we have our two wonderful gentlemen, and this is the television. Everything in this area that these fellas do is a television. And then we have our two wonderful actresses, Brittany and Molly, and they're going to be the ones using the remote control. I have two remote controls, one for each of them. Now this is what the remote control can do. Say there's a scene going on, and there's a scene going on, and these remote controls can fast forward, pause, play, make it Chinese, make it Mandarin Chinese, whatever you want to make it. All right, here are your remotes. GPG.
You know what'd be more fun than looking at a wall?
I don't know. You invited me to your house.
Let's watch TV.
Okay.
I saved the seat for you.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
I'll sit on the floor.
So let's just start with my soaps. I love soaps.
Me too. Especially for babies.
Brad, I love you.
You know I can't believe you because you stayed the night with my nanny's ex-wife.
In Spanish.
No es mío. Es mi cumpleaños. ¡Ay, caramba! ¡Ay, Dios mío! No sé quién está aquí. No sé qué fueron, caramba.
Let's watch the cooking channel, don't you think? I mean, if that's what you want to do.
No, you're fine.
Okay, cooking channel.
Get in the pot!
Yeah, I didn't want to watch it either. It's just warmer up there. Okay, let's watch Disney Channel. Disney Channel.
I like Disney.
I like Sweet Life of Zack and Cody.
Okay.
I'm tired of looking the same all the time, Zach. Same.
Gangster version. Yeah.
Hey, yo, my man, I don't even know what to do anymore.
Hey, yo, we should call some hijinks up in this place.
Hey, yo, man, I got the best idea.
Okay, spit that to me.
Fast forward.
But it's gonna be
Rap.
Hey, man, gotta shoot the manager. Don't like it in my stuff anymore.
The manager pays our rent.
Oh, you snooze me.
No, me.
Oh, the manager told me what you're doing again.
We just, doing what we do.
Pause. The Animal
Planet.
Yeah. I just got lost in your eyes.
Slowly circles its prey, waiting for the kill.
Pause. I like his face.
It seems this man is coming in to eat me. As it slowly devours my flesh.